You struggling to find a comprehensive online course platform that meets all your needs? Stay tuned to discover a tool that might just be the perfect fit for you. Imagine a platform that is not only GDPR compliant, but also SOC 2 and ISO certified, ensuring your data is always protected. What if you could switch the user interface to any language, including German, with just a few clicks? This tool makes it possible. Forget about the hassle of hosting and maintenance. Everything is taken care of on our servers, so you can focus on what matters most. Worried about storage? This platform offers ample space for all your videos and images, making content management a breeze. And the best part? You get lifetime updates for free, ensuring you always have the latest features at your fingertips. If you hit the max capacity of 200 users, don't worry. You can easily free up space by removing inactive users or upgrading your plan. Curious about how this platform stacks up against competitors? Try our trial or watch our demo videos to see the difference for yourself. With features like conditional content blocks, you can tailor your content to different user levels, from beginners to advanced learners. Integrate seamlessly with WordPress and control access to your content, making it both flexible and secure.